Television watching primarily is morning, maybe before you go to work, when you're not totally awake and you don't have your perceptual filters all in place, or after work when you just want to unwind. You don't want to think. You sort of shut your brain off and you let television come in.
Is there a difference when you're watching like a reality show versus a sitcom or a staged drama?
Well, I just heard Kathy Lee talk about this on the air because she said, come on, folks, reality TV is not real.
Yeah.
It's staged as well.
Yeah.
So we do have a tendency to want to know how the other half lives, so to speak.
Right.
So we get to satisfy our curiosity about that.
It's time for a new installment in our year-long series, How to Make This Year the Best Year of Your Life. And today we're talking about how having happy friends can make you happier with health psychologist Dr. Nancy Brammer. Good morning.
Good morning, Christine.
Yeah, so this is about proximity of happiness, right?
It is, and you wouldn't have thought, but the truth about happiness and proximity is that, very simply, when you're around happy people, you're happier. Now, we would expect that to be true.
Yeah.
So if you're happy and you have 5 happy friends, it's likely that you'll be happier also. But what's surprising is that if your 5 happy friends also have 5 happy friends whom you have never met and don't know, that you'll also be happier.
If you want to make sure you have a special day with your sweetheart, there are some things you can do to make that happen. Here with 7 secrets to a great Valentine's Day is Dr. Nancy Brammer, health psychologist, author, and regular contributor on the show. Good to see you.
Hello, Christine. Good to be here again, especially for this topic, Valentine's Day.
I love this. So only a couple days away, but these are things you don't have to make big plans for. They're easy things to do. So let's start with number 1. Whatever you usually do, change it.
Yes, novelty creates a sense of risk-taking, a sense of adventure. We're trying something new. It might work, it might not. So it really awakens the emotions because you're doing something that's, well, let's see. There's a curiosity about it, and curiosity also opens the emotions.
So number 2, provoke emotions.
Yes, this is about the old feelings. This isn't about doing something new. This is about doing something old, because this means that you go back and you look at your wedding videos, or you look at pictures from a vacation that you had, so that you're looking back and remembering wonderful times that you've had and thinking about the feelings that those provoked. If you just have a nice, warm, loving relationship and you want to evoke those old memories that you have together, wear the familiar scent that you had so many times and had so many good times wearing.
Certain days of the week when we feel stressed more than others, yes?
That's for sure. Monday.
Is that the worst?
Monday is the worst. Actually, people report the largest number of heart attacks on Monday mornings between 8 and 9 a.m.
You're kidding.
Yes.
So is it just going back to work? Is it getting back to a routine?
You know what?
What
it's
is it?
related to what's called joyless striving. For people who really don't like their jobs and don't like where they have to be all week long, they start out the week with this sense of dread.
And so they just sort of feel that it's a trudgery. Or
It's a
they're
trudgery,
sort of,
yes,
right,
yes, that creates a Monday morning stress. And Friday is the least stressful day because everybody knows that it's, it's dress down day, it's casual day.
And you're looking forward to perhaps having 2 days off to be with your family to do what
And
things
it's
that
the
you
day
want to do.
before the weekend, exactly.
Right. Is it a matter of finding a better job, another job? Is that one way that you can release that stress?
Absolutely, because there are people who love to get up, don't mind going to work, love to be at work, will work 24/7. And when you have that kind of an... Today we're talking about major life events which come and go.
Got it.
And right now we have weddings, we have showers, we have graduations, we have all the things that are seasonal. We have a big election, and that election's affecting a lot of people in different ways.